Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung ating series about rational expressions. No? And kung sinusundan nyo itong series na to, ang pinag-aaralan natin ay kung paano ba mag-reduce ng rational expressions to lowest terms. No? In this video, pag-aaralan natin yung special na case, no? Na karaniwang mahirap siya or marami nahirapan. Although hindi naman siya mahirap at may mga cases na hindi siya masyadong na-highlight, no? Yung expressions na may m minus n over n minus m. No? So, baliktad, no? So, paano ba nangyayari to? No? So, kung makikita nyo, yung relationship ng m minus n is actually the negative, no? It's actually the negative of n minus m, no? So, pag sinimplify natin to magiging the same as negative 1 times n minus m. So, magiging negative n and then negative 1 times o magiging plus yan, no? Plus m which is equal to m minus n. So, ibig sabihin, if m minus n is equal to negative 1 times n minus m, if we divide both sides by n minus m, then we will have m minus n over n minus m equals negative 1. No? And again, this is a case that m is not equal to n. Kasi pag nag-equal sila, magiging 0 yan. Magiging 0 yung ating, magiging 0 over 0 siya. So, this, dapat meron tayong ganito. No? Mag-agree na lang tayo na dapat ganito pero hindi natin kailangan naman ilagay, no? Palagi. Although na kung magsusolve kayo, I think it's better if you put the restriction. No? So, knowing this case that n minus m minus n times n minus m equals negative 1, madali na natin isosolve ito, no? Yung problem such as this, no? For example, we have a squared minus b squared over b minus a. So, magiging, this is a difference of two squares, no? So, magiging a plus b times a minus b, no? Over b minus a. No? And since a minus b over b minus a is equal to negative 1, magiging a plus b. No? Pareho sila, di ba? A minus b, baliktad sila, tas minus. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin siyang a minus b times b minus a. No? And this entire expression is equal to, no? This one is equal to negative 1. So, meaning, magiging equal siya sa negative 1 times a plus b, which is equal to negative a. Negative 1 times a is negative a. And then plus negative b. We have a plus here, and the negative 1 times b is negative b, which is the same as a negative a minus b. No? So, ang plus negative is the same as minus siya. No? Okay, so that's it. The second number is 9 over 6, or 9 times x minus y over 6 times y minus x. So, magiging equal to, this is negative 1, so magiging 9 over 6 times negative 1. So, pwede natin to i-simplify, magiging 3 over 2 yan, di ba? Divided by 3, that's, anyway, 3 times 3 na lang over 3 times 2 times negative 1. So, we cancel out. Magiging 1 yan. Meaning, this is negative 3 over 2. So, negative 1 times 3 over 2 is negative 3 over 2. Okay, yan yung special case na sinasabi natin. No? So, dapat alam nyo paano i-simplify kasi kadalasan yung mga estudyante lutong ito dyan pag magkabaliktad. No? Okay, so that's it. That's our short video. Gusto ko i-invite sa ating sa ating Facebook page, facebook.com/zip9ph, and of course our YouTube channel, youtube/user/zip9ph. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.